In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply custom conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a simple to-do list or analyzing complex data, conditional formatting can be an incredibly powerful tool to help you visualize and interpret your data more effectively. So let's dive right in and explore how you can do this step by step. First, we'll need to access Google Sheets, so go ahead and log into your Google account and navigate to Google Sheets. Once you're in, you can either start fresh by creating a new blank spreadsheet if your project is just beginning, or you can open an existing spreadsheet if you're looking to enhance or refine data you're already working with. Either way, having the right spreadsheet opened is our starting point. Now that you're set up and ready, it's time to move on to selecting the cells you'd like to format. You can select single cells or a range of cells depending on what your specific needs are. For instance, if you want to highlight a range of cells like A2 to A10, simply click and drag your cursor over the cells you wish to format. This selection will indicate to Google Sheets where the formatting rules you're about to apply should take effect. Next, with your cells selected, go to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option titled Conditional Formatting. Click on that, and a panel will open on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens, so let's get familiar with it. Inside the Conditional Formatting panel, you'll find a section labeled Format Cells If. Here, you'll be able to set the condition or criteria under which you want your selected cells to achieve a particular format. For today's tutorial, we're going to choose Custom Formula Is. This option gives you the flexibility and precision to design conditions tailored specifically to your data needs. Once you've clicked on Custom Formula Is, a text box will appear where you can enter your formula. Make sure the formula correctly reflects the logic or condition you want to apply to your data. If you're unsure or new to writing formulas, don't worry. It can take a bit of practice to get right, but it's worth the effort for the tailored insights it can provide. After entering your formula, it's time to choose a format style that will visually distinguish your data according to the criteria you've set. You can select from options like text color, background color, or text style, giving you creative control over how your data will appear once the condition specified in your formula is met. After making your formatting selections, simply click Done to apply the changes. And there you have it. Your custom conditional formatting is now live, making it easier to analyze and interpret your data at a glance. By harnessing this feature in Google Sheets, you'll be able to make your data more dynamic, visually impactful, and easier to manage. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to work smarter with your spreadsheets.